Breaking today, Aston Villa and Adidas have unveiled the 2026-27 home kit. And this is not a routine refresh. It is a bold throwback built to feel like history while pointing straight at the season ahead. For Villa supporters, that matters because a home shirt is never just fabric. It is memory. It is the look that walks out at Villa Park, season after season, carrying expectation, pride, and belief. This new design leans hard into that heritage. Inspired by Villa looks from the 1960s, and especially the 1969 home shirt, it strips things back to a cleaner, more classic silhouette. The usual sky blue sleeves are gone. In their place sits an all-claret finish, sharper and more unapologetic. That single change says a lot. Aston Villa have always been one of English football's most recognizable clubs, with their traditional claret shirts and sky blue sleeves instantly tied to the team's identity. So when that formula changes even slightly, it is never accidental. It is a statement. And this one is designed to feel premium. Sky blue trim and detailing bring the club colors through without overpowering the shirt. Pale blue Adidas branding adds to the throwback feel. A monochrome pale blue Villa crest completes the look, giving the whole design a minimal, refined edge. For kit enthusiasts, this is the sort of release that gets people talking immediately. It is simple. It is distinctive. And it is different enough to spark debate, because that is part of the appeal. Some fans will see this and think it is everything they wanted from an Adidas Villa shirt. Others will look at the missing sleeves and ask whether Villa should ever move away from the classic claret and blue identity. That split is exactly what a proper kit reveal should create. The last time Villa went fully claret at home was the 2018-19 season, which makes this return feel more significant. It is not just another annual update. It feels like a deliberate reset, a fresh chapter, a shirt that understands the value of looking back in order to move forward. And that is where the Adidas partnership comes in. The club confirmed its multi-year deal with Adidas beginning in 2024-25, and each new release now feels like another part of that long-term visual story. This is not a one-off design experiment. It is part of a bigger identity being shaped season by season. That matters even more given the recent history behind the move. After concerns during the previous kit cycle, Villa's switch to Adidas carried an unspoken expectation of higher standards. So every launch now arrives with pressure attached. Supporters want quality, they want authenticity, and they want a shirt that feels worthy of the badge. On that front, this release is aiming straight at the heart of matchday culture. Villa Park has stood as the club's home since 1897, and the shirt worn there becomes part of the atmosphere before a ball is even kicked. It is what fans wear in the stands, on the walk up to the ground, and everywhere the club is represented. And that connection has never been more powerful. Premier League stadiums have been filling at remarkable levels, with recent reporting showing crowds at a record equaling 98.8% full, averaging 40,459 per match. Football days are booming. The tradition is alive. And this shirt is being launched into that energy. There is also a bigger stage now. The Premier League's global reach means a home kit is no longer just seen at Villa Park. It is broadcast to a worldwide audience, with 1.45 billion people watching live Premier League football in 2024-25. So this shirt is not only for Birmingham. It is for every Villa fan, everywhere. That global exposure raises the stakes. A home shirt has to feel local and universal at the same time. It must belong to the whole to end, yet still make sense on screens, in streets, and in stadiums across the world. This design is trying to do exactly that by keeping the message clear and the aesthetic unmistakable. And the timing is no accident either. The 2026-27 home kit goes on sale at 9 a.m. on Thursday, 28th of May. Supporters will be able to get it at Villa Park, the club's bullring store, adidas.co.uk, and shop.avfc.co.uk. For fans and collectors, that means the countdown is already on. That sense of anticipation is part of the modern kit launch experience. The reveal arrives first, the debate follows, and then comes the rush to own a piece of the story. Because that is what shirts like this really are. They are markers of a moment. This one marks a moment of renewal. It says the next season is coming. It says Villa are ready to step back into the spotlight with confidence. And it says the club is willing to honor its past without being trapped by it. That balance is difficult to get right. Too much nostalgia, and the shirt feels stuck in time. Too little, and it loses its soul. But this design is clearly trying to sit in the middle. Familiar enough to belong, different enough to matter. And that is why the details count. The classic collar gives the shirt a composed, almost ceremonial feel. The claret holds the center. The pale accents keep it tied to the club. Nothing feels random. Nothing feels overworked. It is a kit built with purpose. For supporters, purpose is everything. They do not just want something new, they want something meaningful. A shirt that reflects the badge, the venue, the memories, and the standards of the club they love. That is what gives this launch its weight. It is not about chasing shock value. It is about reinforcing who Aston Villa are. Proud, historic, recognizable, and ready for another season where the shirt will become part of new moments, new songs, and new memories. So as the excitement builds, this home kit lands as more than a release. It is a reminder that tradition can still evolve, that a familiar identity can be reimagined without being forgotten, and that sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest statement. Aston Villa and Adidas have put the next chapter on display. Now it belongs to the fans. Tell us, masterstroke or should Villa keep the sleeves?